Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will cover our third part of this series, which is how to install and set up WooCommerce plugin. Alright, if you haven't seen our previous video, I would suggest you to go to the description link, and I have added the links so you can see over there. So I assume that you already buy a domain and set up hosting for your WordPress website. So let's see how you can install the WooCommerce plugin. Well, the first thing you will need to do is to install WooCommerce on your website. You can download it for free from the WordPress repository, then upload it to your site. Even easier, you can install it right through your WordPress dashboard. Let's see how you can do it. So to do this, I'm going to land my WordPress admin dashboard. You can see my screen now. So here you can see I don't have any plugin installed. So for the installation, you need to navigate plugins and click on the add new button. Now here you can find your WooCommerce plugin. You can directly upload it from here, upload plugin button. So if you have downloaded it already, you can upload it, or you can, the easiest way to, you can download from here. Like click on the search plugin, and here you need to write WooCommerce. So you can see the plugin is appear here, and you need to click on the install now button, and it will take a few seconds. So you can see that the activate button is appear. You can click on it, and after a few seconds your WooCommerce plugin will be activated successfully. After installing WooCommerce, you will be prompted to walk through a setup wizard. It's optional, but I recommend going through it in order to configure some key settings. So tell us about your store and we will get your setup in no time. So here you need to add your store details like address, country, city, and postal code. So I'm adding a dummy content right now. You can add your actual WooCommerce address here. So here you can see the option called I am setting up a store for a client. If you can create a store for a client, you can check it out. Otherwise, leave this checkbox. So next, click on the continue button. Build a better WooCommerce. Get improved feature and fast fix by sharing non-sensitive data via usage tracking and show me use. No personal data is tracked or stored. So here is for better WooCommerce, you need to check here and click on the continue button. Okay, the next step, in which industry does the store operate? Choose any the apply. So here I am choosing health and beauty. You can choose it yours. Okay, click on the continue button. Next, what type of product will be listed? So here I am listing a physical product. Download, no, I don't have. Subscription, no. Membership, so you can click on it if you have any. Alright, in my case I am choosing a physical products, then click on the continue button. Okay, next, tell us about your business. How many products do you plan to display? Here you need to add how many products do you plan to display. So in my case I am choosing 101 to 1000, and currently selling elsewhere. No other platform. So few options will be available here, like market on Facebook, these are the plugins actually. So if you checked here, the plugin will be installed and activated automatically. If you uncheck, then you cannot get this plugin on your WordPress dashboard screen. So few plugins are available: Market on Facebook, MailChimp, Creative Mail, and Drive Traffic Store. So in my case, I am choosing 1, 2, and these two plugins. I don't want this plugin, so I am uncheck this. So next to the continue button, so next I have option choose a theme. So here I can choose theme, like a few themes are available here, such as 2020, storefront, and others as well. So in my case, I am choosing a storefront theme. Click on the choose button. Now you can see here the storefront themes successfully activated, and next it will say enhance your store with Jetpack and WooCommerce shipping and tax. So if you want to connect, then you can click on the yes please. In my case, I am choosing no thanks. I will update it later. So the main thing is you can also update it later if you want. Now you can see here it will back to my WooCommerce WordPress admin dashboard, and here are the few more requirements. Welcome to your stores online HQ. Okay, here is where you will find setup suggestions, tips and tools, and key data on your store performance and earnings. All the basic for store management and growth. Okay, click on the next button. A personalized inbox full of relevant advice. Okay, next. And good data leads to smart business decisions. So next, click on the let's go button. Alright, you have successfully installed and set up your WooCommerce plugin. Now here you can see that finish setup 5, like add my products, setup payment, setup tax, setup shipping, personalize store. So here you can finish this setup by going to add products. So there are two options for adding products. You can click on it, or you can navigate products and click on the add new button, add new product, sorry. So you can add a product from here as well. So that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel, and in the next video I will teach you how you can add a product. Till then, goodbye and good luck. See you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.